Hey, this is Paul with Ave Longview. I am at 1528 7th Avenue in Longview doing a sewer scope for sale of a home. I'm in the basement going through a clean out right here. It's just below the wash sink. Okay, not sure if you heard me or not, but I am at 1578 7th Avenue, I think, 1528, sorry, 7th Avenue, doing a sewer scope. The main for the sale of a home, we're going through a clean out right here in the basement floor, right above the mop sink. I'm going to clear my counter lower left corner of the screen to 0, and here we go again. So I'm going to run a little bit of water in the line. Okay, so we have water running. See if it keeps the camera clear. But I think we're going to shut the water off now and scope it. Okay, so we're shutting the water off. It should stop running here in a minute. Looks like we're in 4-inch concrete pipe. See if I can clean that camera up a little bit. A little bit of root intrusion right there. So I'm going to pause here and go locate this spot. Okay, I have located this spot and marked it. It's 6 foot 7 feet down because of the basement. The line actually at this point looks pretty good. A little bit of cobwebs there, as you can see on the right side. I consider that good. Some more cobwebs, so it tells me that the line has not been backed up at this point. And you can see cobwebs straight across. Quite a bit of cobwebs in there, so that's good. A little bit of water sitting right there, not bad. And my camera is right on the bottom of the line, so a little bit of water is going to look like a lot. We have a little bit of a turn right there, and I may locate that on the way back. Oh, so that is the city main right there that we're looking into. So I'm going to start backing the camera up, and we'll locate one more time. We're going to locate this spot right here. And again, I will be right back. Okay, I have located this spot. This is 10 feet out from the curb in the street. So this would be a city issue. And it doesn't look bad. It's just a little bit of a, you can see right there, little tiny hole out there, but not bad. little bit of debris laying in there, but that's normal. There's the roots located. Not bad. They could be cut out, but they're only going to grow back, so they'd have to be maintained. Just a chunk of goo right there. A couple good flushes, it would go away. Actually, it might be grease, not sure, but get some water, get behind them, they'd get out of there. And this looks like cast iron. It changed from concrete right there to what appears to be cast iron. Here. Okay, it looks like we have maybe some roots right here. I am not sure. I'm surprised, but I'm going to locate that spot. I'll be right back. Okay, I have located this spot, and it's almost directly underneath the vent stack, or the main stack coming up out of the floor. But you can see something hanging there. Not sure if it's hair or root. I wouldn't think it would be root. So might want to run a jetter or something in there. Okay, so just to recap a little bit. This is Paul with Roto-Rooter. I am at 1528 7th Avenue, Longview, Washington, doing a sewer scope through the clean out in the basement. And we ran clear out to the city street. There's a little bit of a weird connection 10 feet out past the curb where it turns and connects with the city, but that's a city issue. And it does not seem to be affecting the flow of the water. There's also some very minor root intrusion at about the 24-foot mark, and I located that and marked it in the yard. And right below the vent stack in the basement appears to be, I don't know if it's roots or hair, but it's literally 2 feet in from the clean out. So that maybe should have a cable or hydrojetter or something ran in it. The line looks like it's all 4-inch cast iron under the house, 4-inch concrete out to the street, and it all looks like it's in good shape, other than the minor root intrusion, and just needs a little bit of a cleaning. So you've heard the old saying, there's 2 guarantees in life, death and taxes. There's actually 3, death, taxes, and at some point your toilet's going to plug up. So you better put me on a speed dial. God bless, be safe, remember what the jingle says. It's good.